do this right here.
You finna capture everything.
This the zoomed in version. This the regular version. This the wide version.
I'm sorry.
Damn, hold on. This the wide
gamer. What the fuck?
This shit look like a Disney Channel movie kid. You know, like the teenager movies. That shit. We got the before situation, my boy. Started the progress already with the bag. Got the 3 monitors set up. Sight, I lied. 4 monitors. Got the motherfucking mini fridge on deck on you bitches. Plate on the bed. Swag-tastic, nigga. Zoom in on that hoe. My boy. That shit tough.
On the thing on the roof right there. Like in the corner.
You said show this? Boy, that man got Spider-Man spiders in this fish. What are you talking about? GG. Boy, what in the fuck? What is that?
Dude finna look at this video and be like, damn.
On now. Done already started.
Hey, what the fuck?
Boy.
Hey, what the fuck? Hey, free fucked up code. Hey, what the fuck is that?
GG's, my boy. Hold up. Got behind the door, my boy. I just showed your street. I just showed your toes. You heard?
Huh?
I showed your toes. Hold on. Got behind the door situation right here. LeBron James. I'm weak as fuck. Hey, on God, does that look like him in the face?
Yeah, look at that shit. What the fuck? Oh!
You're done. You're done. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Hey, this fan, I don't know what the fuck he did to this bitch.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know when the fuck was this shit on, bro.
That's a lizard. Bro, what did you do to the fan? You just woke up one day and that bitch is broke?
Oh, she put that bitch close to my bed and then I fucked her and kicked that bitch.
You kicked that motherfucker. Hell no. GG's. R.I.P. fan.
That was bad.
Helicopter.
Hey, you forgot about the mosquito I killed on that motherfucker.
What'd you just say, bro?
That bitch was a mosquito.
That was a mosquito?
Smacked the fuck out.
Bro, this looked like a fossil. This looked like a...
And then I smeared the blood over here about here. I smeared the blood. It's over by the power thing.
That's another mosquito?
Yeah, no, it's the same mosquito. I wiped the blood off.
Why did you take the blood from here from the mosquito all the way over here? Yeah, you wildin', my boy. Hey, what's up with the helicopter, my boy? You fly this home?
Hell no. That bitch in the package.
That's tough. All right, so we're gonna get back to, I'm not gonna be showing no time lapse or nothing because I'm looking dusty, rusty, and crusty, but we just gonna pop back up with the situations. And then right here, this bed gotta move.
Small ass bed looking like flight and them.
This motherfucker is taking up too much space and eating up into this shit.
Niggas finna start sleeping on the
Now, we gonna hit the vacuum, but hey, the coloration, that shit dead. We ain't getting no carpet cleaning going on in this motherfucker. Do we look like motherfucking glorious in this bitch? That was a poor choice of phrase of this bitch. Hey, they hold you with the curtain, ain't gonna lie to you.
That shit don't even match the fucking room.
Got the humidifier box on deck. Psych, I lied. Alright, also, as far as the desk situation, as you can see, it's looking quite gnarly. We're not doing no cable management. He don't care about cable management, so we're not gonna do that mess. But as you can see, Brody got his whole monitor on an Xbox. What in the fuck? So that's gonna be situated differently. This PC gonna get situated differently because it's literally laying on the side so he can see the visuals of it. So it'll look a little bit different, a little bit cooler. That needs to be taken off the desk because I don't give a fuck how cool you need your drinks. You don't need your drinks right up against the situation with the desk. Like, that's just a no-go. May or may not remove the mosquito remains. Who knows? I'm really not worried about that. I'm just trying to do some quick situationing and just have a little bit better, because walking from here all the way around here to get to his situation, that's a lot, you know. So the chair, bruh, he puts his money on what he want to put his money on. He chose a new console versus a new chair, so he's willing to sacrifice his back and booty crack for, other items. Ain't gonna lie to you, I wasn't supposed to start doing that until I showed it before. So currently the table is over here. The bed is not staying there. It just had to get moved like that for a moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this dust off of here and then start putting stuff back on there and then cleaning off what I put on there to get that looking decent, and then start plugging stuff up and whatnot. This is what the dust is looking like now. I don't have any of the things that I would use to actually clean, so I'm using, ain't gonna lie to you, I'm using alcohol and some toilet paper, but it's gonna get the job done. It's gonna look way better than before, and it is what it is. But if I had all the stuff I needed, it'd be a much more easy situation. But currently, your boy got misplaced like a Hurricane Katrina victim. Rest in peace to the fallen. That shit's tough. Right, for right now, the refrigerator is over there, but it's probably just gonna chill over there and be over there. Now, I'm about to take the cords and start plugging stuff back up, then get rid of this, sweep it up, get it all out the way, blah, blah, blah. Slow course. No cable management. He don't care about none of that, so don't be saying nothing to me about it. All right, currently we have the cords situated. Ignore that few cords. That's for the fan and for that humidifier. About to vacuum this up right here, you feel me? Almost there. All right, currently about to get rid of what's not needed over here, get rid of the trash here, throw away some of the stuff that's not needed over here, and then gonna move some of the stuff around, and then gonna be slanging it over there, and then put this TV on top of that. When it's over there, this won't no longer be in this corner right here. And then this guy's to get up out of here, that guy's to get up out of here. He don't like using this because he said he don't like using electric heaters, and it'd be hot as hell in here anyway, so RP. All right, now we got that over here in the corner. The TV on there, soundbar on there, still needs to be dusted. I don't really know where I'm gonna place that. I might end up, I don't know, it might go in the closet once the closet gets sorted out a little bit. And then this right here is now empty. Nothing right here for right now because my back just can't handle that right now. This is real big, heavy as a mother effer. I'm just gonna have to, put this over here for right now, but it'll be out the way. So that's gotta go. We got LeBron James in a new home right here, chilling at the top. You know what I'm saying? As he does, on the stats and shit, motherfuckers. And then got the lava lamp right there for just a moment, just to get it out the way. Got some remote controls right there. Everything's looking pretty cool so far, if I do say so myself, my boy. Professional organizer, why excel the man, bitch?
Daddy, chill.
All right, so this is what we got so far. It's looking pretty nice, looking pretty snazzy. I done went through and cleaned off the controllers, the Xbox as good as I could get it. The PC, I done cleaned off the monitors and cleaned off all that. Sanitized it with alcohol wipes. Stuff right here is simply right there just because it's stuff that's gonna be kept and put in another spot. Some extra HDMI cables, extra cords and stuff like that. And obviously some of that good old fashioned spick and span. And then that helicopter box we saw earlier. Over here, we have the TV chilling, minding his business with the soundbar in front of it. That's where he wanted that, so that's where that's gonna stay right there. The shoes right there, that's gonna stay right there. And then we got the main situation. The fact that the song that I had playing done disappeared, so the music video is gone. That's trash. And I plugged this up just because I want to see what it looks like. But he told me this gets super hot and it heats the room up. So that's probably not gonna stay on. But yeah, just a little miscellaneous things up there. Probably be moved. I don't know. This is not my room. This is not my humble abode. So also I dusted the fan to the best of my ability. So that is the situation with that. And yeah. Looking pretty cool, looking pretty snazzy. I'm not gonna lie to you, I did in fact forget to knock off that situation by that wall. So let me take care of that real quick. Knock that off as best as I could. Knock that mess off as best as I could. I'm not gonna lie to you, it did drip down the wall some, so I had to get the spray that I sprayed and scrub downwards. So if it took off the paint, it took off the paint. I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, everything's looking nice, everything's looking cool. Slam that like button if this is a better improvement than what it was. The floor is squeaky McGee. I'm not gonna hold you. This is ridiculous. You got the thick ladies over here doing they thought this one.